I heard them and just grabbed the phone. I'm not sure where they are. Parrots somewhere. Can't even see. Let's stand up. Just out here enjoying some sun and fresh air, guys. Had a little dizzy spell earlier, so getting some sun and fresh air. Yeah, like I just said. And then there was a big flock and a big carry-on of birds. And I was like, oh shit. Oops, sorry. Oh dear. Better grab my phone. You can hear them. Yeah, I'm just not quite sure where they are. Anyway, happy... What is it today? Is it Saturday? Or Friday? Saturday. Happy Saturday, everybody. Sun setting. Those birds, if you can hear them. I hope they're coming up. I think they're in that very big tree yonder. I haven't got good zoom on here, so you won't see much. Unless we have a big flock fly by, that would be nice. I've had that happen and it's just so pretty. And yeah. I'll show you a bit of the sky, nothing too remarkable, just the sky, bit of a blank canvas sky, as I call it. Not much to see here, folks, just a little bit there. Going over to the sun. I can't see with my eyes. I'm sure the phone will get up. That looks pretty. The palm leaves in the sun there. I really hope you can hear those birds. Yeah, it's pretty lovely. It's funny how in the morning they wake up, the birds wake up and listen to them. And at night time it's like I figure they're fighting over their nightly branch to sit on for the night. They seem to squabble over something. I'm sitting here, no I'm sitting here, no I'm sitting here. I was here first. This sort of convo, I don't know. But the morning one is, it's just nice to lay there, listen to birds wake up. Or wake up with birds, I should say. That's even a nicer way of putting it. Oh, there's rainbow in the distance there. A little prayer. Does everyone secretly do that when they hear or see an ambulance? Somehow get invested for even a thought or two. Hope everyone's okay in there. You know, whatever. Or is it just me? Probably just me. Alright guys, well, Lissy's out here with me. My baby. Hey baby. Hey baby. Hey. You know what she comes to? Oi. But said a little bit, you know, manly like, wait. But I'm not dead. I call her. Well, if I really want her back, yeah, I will. I'll put on a big deep oi sound. Because remember she was part of a pack and now she's a singular. It's not a plural anymore, one of many. Well, yeah. She's a sweet little Dargie. She's gorgeous, beautiful nature. But he's just too right of me, but I can't swish this phone around. Like, I wish I could, but it'd make you still feel yucky. Got like a little flop. You might, if I change position here, you might see some more. Oh, and the quintessential dog in the background. Perfect. Alright guys, I'll get going. I love you all and have a fantastic weekend. I'm going to be working on my train soon. I like it in the box, it's weird. But I'm going to do it out here on the big black table. It's not that big, so it's okay. So, I might even do that live, you know. Don't know. We'll see. Anyway, happy Saturday and love to all. Bye guys.